So hello, welcome to the most saddest, most basic room tour ever.
My name is Ravnaya and I'm back to my channel after I think it's 1.5 months. Oh my god, shame on me. So let's just jump right into it. My bathroom toilet, I don't know why they are separated, and my father kindly writing this, and me and my brushes and everything kept in a very Indian way. So this is my room door, and let's just go inside. Let's start the room tour. Hello, I'm the woke guy. I'm gonna ask 73 questions. Open the door. And yeah, by the way, the only person who asks me 73 questions is the Viva teacher, and who can ask unlimited questions to me are my parents. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I'm so god. There's only one person here, that is me, that is my room. And this is my beautiful room. Let the room tour begin. I said begin. Anyways, this is my random clothes I use along with my bag. And let's just go over here, let's just talk. This is one of my oldest computers I've been using since 2010, 2009. And my old CPU. So I had kept it away because I didn't have space. So I was like, okay, nowadays I'll just put it back. I'll just see some memories and stuff. So I just put it back. And the cup. And then I have this diary for random notes, random drawings, numbers, and this is my extension board, very handy, near the bed, you know what I mean. Also my walls, I was planning to fill this entire wall with posters and paint, and then I realized I don't have money, and this is just where I just splash on my paints for no reason. Now this is my window, and this was my window. A little story time. You guys see that hole? That's where the AC is supposed to be. AC, the split AC, the ones with tubular body. And that time I had this one only. So my mom was like, the size is almost similar, okay? We put that brown thing and she was like, let me just put this here. But she was not realizing the fact that this made me it becomes so cold. This AC is very strong though, and I'll go show you guys. It automatically goes up. And one very bad thing about this room is that this room is just next to this forest and everything, so a lot of mosquitoes come in. I know for sure that there are around 10 mosquitoes in my room right now, and my bat also stopped working. So tomorrow I'll have to go with my father and I have to get it fixed, and that's it. Hey, and now this is all the random junk, basic souvenirs, my memory, I have attached to, like this buckle. This is like for the, what do we say that? House meeting scarf. This is elephant and all these elephant. This pen is from Jaipur. My sister brought it. My phone, I've been using this since 2016 to 2019. And this one is this weird animatronics Lego type thing, which I got in 2013 of my birthday. So I was like, let me just build it. And that is Kidzania currency. And this memorial, I just got it from my farewell. And this minion, I got it from my college carnival. And this is the jar. And this is friendship band. So I haven't given it away because I had none. And these are some jars I've painted. And this is where I keep my all daily stuff. I need to take like mask, very important, and watches, and then my wallet. And you guys might be wondering, one of you will be like, oh my god,
this is wallet, he's stupid, he's just letting it all out. So even if you come here, first of all you're gonna find me, and I'll be like, hello, are you okay? Get out of my house, social distancing. Second, I'll be like, I have no money, so you can come and take the empty wallet. No, I won't even give you that.
Sorry. And this is where I keep all my cream, my beauty, what do we say, get ready with me stuff, my deodorants. I really love this deodorant, you know, this, it has such a beautiful scent. The name is Kama Sutra, no wonder. And oil, and my creams, and my comb. Now moving on, this on the other hand, this is my all the colors, my art stuff, like my paint, my acrylic paint, my watercolor paint, brushes, and then my markers, my pencil colors. Both of them contain pencil colors. Now moving down, I have all my art which I'm working on, which I've worked on, my rulers, some of my rulers, and the scales, metallic scales, my dad's pen drive, he has given some work to me, and these are also my art I'm working on. Now moving even below, these are just random junk which is not really required, like raincoat right now, and all the extension boards. This is this palette, and here must be the one of the watercolors I don't use, I hate. I have okay, now I have this medical record, my lab coat, nothing much here. All my clothes are here. Now one thing, you guys might be wondering, I have a lot of shirts, more than t-shirts. It's because my college only allows shirt for some reason, I don't know. And my entire university was like,
oh my god, get shirts, you know, it's not gonna work professional, like as if.
And so I have this, not the best closet, what do we call that, the clothes, but I'm still happy with what I have. I'm not gonna open this. It contains my undies, and this is where I keep my all books I use every day, papers, my test papers, and you know, for my classes, and all the registers for notes, books for reference. And this is where I keep my other stuff, like, you know, miscellaneous stuff like this. I'll be working on it in the next couple of videos. And these used pastel sheets, because for my art, that is also some art related stuff only. And that is this map of India. Now this is all my 12th and my school books and my coaching books I have. If anyone wants, please DM. And this is my school uniform. I'm gonna keep it with me safe until I die. And this is where I keep all my books, notebooks, which I sometimes use, my assignments and my practical records and my Bible. Basically, you know, all my first year books, my everything else. Now in this one, I have all the most random stuff, you know, like carom board with no board. These are all the carom, you know, the stuff what we have called Goti. And this is just my ID card, empty stuff, and this earphone, these divided to be used as weapons, my smartwatch charger, and some weird looking memory card reader. That's it here. Now moving down, these are my rough notebooks, you know, empty old books, registers, notebooks. These are my canvas I'm currently working on, and that is my blanket. I use it when I paint, and that is my vacuum cleaner. And now let's move up. Now here I have suitcase, and more suitcase. Yeah, more suitcase. There's this banner. That's it. So guys, please like, share and subscribe if you like my room. And I know, like, this is not very cool, not the best, it's very basic. So if you have any improvement, like suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments, and give me suggestions for videos and everything. I'll appreciate you guys' criticism, so please let me know everything, and like and share and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Great things are coming, I promise. It will be coming.